Hey everybody, we are here at the WorldMark Resort in San Diego, California, and we're going to take a ride on elevator number 2. Unlike the previous video for number 1, we're going to start in the parking garage. This is the parking garage, so let's take a ride on it. Former Dover elevator that got a modernization by ThyssenKrupp. Let's go up to 4. MODBS Classic California code. Because we're in California, you'll see these fixtures as opposed to the regular MODBS Classic fixtures. So there's our California code compliant buttons, which I have seen back home in Michigan before too. You notice that button, almost like an Otis button. You get your door hold button, which will hold the door open without sending it into nudge. And then when you're ready to go, press door close. And now we'll get a cab view. And that right there was where the original lantern was. I have stayed at this resort before, 7 years ago, and they might have been original. I don't remember for sure if they were or not. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.